Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this class we'll discuss exercise 6.3 and question number 4, 14, 15, 16 we'll discuss. So in the previous class we have discussed the previous sums like 1 to 13. So this is the last video of exercise 6.3. So question number 14 says that sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC and respectively proportional to the side PQ and PR and median PM of the another triangle PQR, you have to show triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, let us draw the triangles. So if I draw, this is ABC, suppose, and this is PQR triangle, A, B, C, P, Q, R triangle. Now median AD. So you have to draw a median AD. So this is AD and another PM is the median of triangle PQR. And given that, so we first will write what is given in the question. Okay. So given that in triangle ABC, so AB and AB is proportional to PQ. AB this side is proportional to this side. So we'll write AB by PQ equals to AC to PR. AC to PR proportional. So AC by PR equals to median AD and median PR. PM is proportional. So AD by PM. Okay. So, but you have to prove ABC, triangle ABC is proportional to PQR. So, instead of AD by PM, if it is given that BC by QR, then you can easily say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. But here, this side is proportional to this side. So, this is not part of the triangle ABC. AD is not part. This is median obviously. But by SSS rule, we have to prove this all the sides are to be proportional. But AD is median. So median of triangle, median of ABC is proportional to triangle of PQR. This is not proof that these two triangle is similar triangle. So anyhow, we have to prove this BC is proportional to triangle QR. So this is given. So we have to construct a little bit for that proof. Construction is what? We have to this is D. We have to extend AD, suppose E, and join this one. And we have to extend PM also. Join this one. As that sheet AD equals to DE. Okay. So by construction we can say AD equals to DE and PM equals to ML by construction. And construction is what? Join BE and BE, CE and QL and RL. Okay. So join this one. BE, CE, QL and LR. Yeah, RL. Now proof. So we have to prove this quadrilateral ABC and the quadrilateral PQLR is parallelogram. So in the quadrilateral ABEC and the quadrilateral PQLR, so we can say what? So we know that in triangle ABEC, we know that AB equals to BD equals to So we know that since D is median, we can say BD equals to DC. Why? Because D is median. Okay. And by construction, we can say AD equals to what? AD equals to DE by construction. Okay. So since in quadrilateral ABC, BD equal to DC and AD equal to DE, and we can observe that AB and BC are diagonals, AE and BC are diagonals. So when two diagonals bisect each other, we can say this quadrilateral is to be a parallelogram. So since we can write here, since two diagonals of quadrilateral ABEC bisects each other. So ABEC is a parallelogram. Okay. So since ABEC is a parallelogram, so we can say the opposite sides are equal. So we can write here AB equals to CE, and we can write BE equals to AC. Okay. So similarly for this quadrilateral PQLR, we can say similarly. So we can separate, we can write on your next page. I am writing here. So similarly for quadrilateral PQLR, PQ equals to LR and QL equals to PR, we can say. Yes. Now we have to prove this triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQR, because we have to prove this angle, this A angle equals to P angle, so that we can write here angle 1 and this is angle 2, this is angle 3 and this is angle what? 4. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we can say AB by PQ, it is given, AB by PQ is given, and we given AC by PR, and this implies that AB by PQ equals to, instead of AC we can write BE, because we prove here AC equals to BE, so we can write instead of AC BE, and instead of PR we can write QL. Yes, QL. Okay. And also it is given that AB by PQ equals to, so instead of AC by PR we can write BE by QL, and this is AD, it is given that AD by PM, so you can write AD by PM, and AD we can write AD equals to what? If I multiply by 2, so you can write 2AD by 2PM, and 2AD means what? QAE, AE by 2PM means what? PL. So basically we got AB by PQ equals to BE by QL equals to AE by PL. So in the triangle ABE and in the triangle PQL, both the sides are proportional to each other. So by SSS rule, we can say triangle ABE proportional to triangle PQL. by SSS rule. Clear? So next we have proved triangle ABE similar to triangle PQL. Okay, so we can say next we can say triangle angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Angle 1 is equals to 3 because this one angle 1 is angle, this is 3. Okay, so now in similar case, we can say similarly we can say what triangle ACE similar to triangle ARL PRL, triangle ACE similar to triangle PRL in the same method. So AC triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRL, okay, and we can write angle 2 is equals to angle 4. So if I add these two equation number 1 and equation number 2, we can write angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to angle 3 plus angle 4. And angle 1 and angle 2 means what? Angle 1 and angle 2 means the whole angle P. Angles 3 and 4 means what? Whole angle P. So we can write angle A is equals to angle P. Clear? So now in triangle, now we have to prove triangle ABC and triangle PQ are similar to each other. Okay. So yes. So you have to prove this one now. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. So we know AB proportional to PQ and AC proportional to PR. So AB by PQ and AC by PR. AB by PQ is equals to AC by PR. And we know angle A equals to angle P. So by SAS rule, we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by which rule? By SAS rule. Okay. By SSS rule, we can say they are triangle ABC and triangle PQR is similar to each other. So first what we did, so this is given AB by PQ and AC by PR and AD by PM. This is given in the question. Okay. Then construction we have to do, you have to extend AD to AE and you have to join BE and CE. Similarly in this case PM is extend to L and you have to join PL and LR. Then in quadrilateral ABC, we know that BD by construction we know AD equal to DE by construction, and since D is median, so you can say BD equals to DC. We know. So since diagonals of a triangle ABC bisect each other, these two diagonals when bisect each other means this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Since it is parallelogram, we can say the opposite sides are equal. Okay, or equal and parallel, so we will take this condition equality condition. Similarly, for this quadrilateral PQLR, we can say also this is also parallelogram, and since it is parallelogram, we can say opposite sides are equal. PQ equals to LR and QL equals to PR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we can say AB by PQ equals to AC by PR. So instead of AC, we can write BE because we prove here AC equals to BE. So AC, instead of AC, we write here BE. Instead of PR, we can write here QL. Okay. So now also it is given here AD by PM. So instead of AD, we write 2AD multiplying 2 in the both numerator and denominator, 2AD and 2PM. So 2AD means AE by PL. So AB by PQ equals to BE by QL. So and AE by PL means we have proved triangle ABC, sorry, it will be E. Sorry, it will be E. So ABE and triangle PQL will be L, not R, L, it will be L. So PQL we have proved by SSS rule. All the sides are proportional. Next, since they are similar, so you can write angle 1 equals to angle 3. Similarly, in the case of ACE and triangle PL also similar by same method. So angle 2 equals to angle 4. Adding equation number 1 and 2, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to angle 3 plus angle 4. So angle this becomes angle A and 3 plus 4 becomes angle P. So we will prove now triangle ABC and PQ are similar. So AB by PQ and AC by EB is already given in the question, and now we have proved angle A equals to angle P. So by SAS rule, we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQ. This is a little bit lengthy question, but if you practice many times, 4 to 5 times, you can easily understand this question. Repeat this video, then you can understand this. Now question number 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time the tower cast a shadow 20 meter long, and find the height of the tower. Okay, so here we can draw a pole, and this is a shadow. Okay, so A, B, C, and another this is tower. Suppose P, Q, and R. Okay, so you can mention here, let AB equals to length of pole, and BC equals to length of shadow of pole, and PQ equals to length of tower, and QR equals to, you can write length of shadow of pole, tower. Okay, so now yes, so what given the question, vertical pole length is 6 meter, cast a shadow 4 meter. So this is 6 and cast a shadow 4 meter long. This is 4 meter long and 6 meter. And same time a tower cast a shadow 28 meter shadow, and we have to find out PQ. What is PQ? So first we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, and we know at the same time when sun rays fall on a different object, we know these sun rays fall on the different object in the same angle. Means we want to say that this angle and this angle will be equal. Angle A equals to angle P is equal, because when sun rays fall on a different object, this falls in a same angle. Okay, so in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we can say what angle A equals to angle B. So you can write the reason also. When sun rays fall at the same time on different object, the angle of falling the angle will be same. The angle will be what? Same. Okay, so that is why angle A equals to angle P, and this is vertically poled, so means angle B and angle Q are 90 degree. So you can write angle B is equals to angle Q. So by angle property, we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by angle rule. Okay. Now we can say, since triangle ABC and triangle PQ are similar, so we can write the sides have to be proportion. So AB by PQ equals to BC by QR. Third side you can write, but there is no need to write third side. So that is why I am not writing. So AB value is 6, PQ we don't know, unknown, PC is 4, and QR is what? 28. So we have to find what? PQ. So PQ equals to, so PQ will be this that side and 20 will be multiplied. 6 into 20 will be multiplied, cross diagonal multiply. 6 into 28 and 4 into PQ, and that is why 4 I have divide here. 4 7 ja 28. So 6 7 ja 42 meter. So length of the tower is what? 42 meter. This is the answer. 42 meter is the answer. I hope you understand these sums. If you don't understand, you can read back into this video. Now 16. Question number 16 is the last question of the exercise 6.3. If AD and PM are median of a triangle ABC and PQ are respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB by PQ equals to AB by PM. Okay, so now we have to prove AB by PQ equals to AB by PM. So first we have to draw the triangle ABC, A, B and C, and triangle PQR, and AD is the median, so we draw AD is the median, and this is PM is the median, okay, or PQR. And given that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, so given, first we have to write what is given. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, we can write AB by PQ, this side and this side PQ, and BC by QR, and AC by PR. AC by PR, this is given. Also we can say angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. Okay. Now we can say since AD is median, so AD is median, so D is the midpoint of BC, so we can write since D is median, so we can say BD equals to half of BC. BD, this length equals to half of BC, because BD equal to DC. So from that case, you can write 2BD is equals to BC. Similarly, since M is median, so we can write QM is equals to half of QR. So we can write 2QM is equals to QR. QM equals to QR. Okay. Now in triangle ABD and in triangle ABD and in triangle PQM. So in the given, it is given that AB by PQ is equals to BQ, BC, it will be BC, sorry. BC by QR. So from here you can write AB by PQ is equals to BC. BC means we have to 2BD, so you can put here 2BD by 2QM. That means we got AB by PQ is equals to BD by QM. And now it is given that PQ angle B equals to angle Q, angle B equals to angle Q. So by SAS criteria, we can say triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. So therefore, triangle ABD, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by SAS rule, and therefore we can write, now the proof is given, AB by PQ equals to AD by PM. Since we have proved a triangle ABD, this one triangle ABD and PQM similar, so we can say these all the sides should be proportional. So AB by PQ equals to AD by PM. This is proved. This is proved. This is not. So I hope you understand all the questions 15, 14, 15, 16, and you have to revise this question, then you can understand better. Okay, next we'll start the new topic, new chapter. I think it is question 7, chapter number 7, and we'll see on this video. Thank you.